This video is offered to you by World Web Television. Welcome to the installation video of the WWT recorder and converter. The moment we received your order and payment, we sent you an email with a link to download the software. After you have downloaded the software, you can start the installation. This installation video uses Firefox as the web browser. We have already downloaded the software with Firefox. Open the web browser and go to the Saved Download button and click on the installation file with the following name. Install WWT recorder4.exe. Double-click on this, and depending on your Windows version, you may need to approve the exe.file. The first window of the installation will appear in just a moment. When this window appears, click on the Next button. The next window is named Information. Also here, click the Next button. If you agree with the license, you can check the I agree box, and after that, Next. Now the installation can start. The installation is now complete and you can click Exit. The computer will now ask you if you want to start the program. Click Yes. Then click OK inside the message box and the installation of WWT Recorder can be completed. You will now see the Internet Access window. Click Continue. When the WWT Recorder setup appears, click Next. The WinCap software can now be installed by clicking on OK. At the Welcome window, click Next. At the Agreement, click on I agree if you approve. After this, installation will start. Click Finish to complete the installation. The WWT recorder setup will now check your connections. After that, click Next. The adapters and the players are OK, and you can click Finish. And again, click Finish. Close the Internet browsers. Now you can see the main screen of the WWT recorder. In this window you will see three white areas. The upper space will indicate the mode of the program, ADA mode and auto on. This means that the software will record automatically as soon as it detects video material on the computer. The middle space will indicate OK at adapter 3. This means that the software has detected and activated the three necessary players on your computer. After the installation of the software, you will automatically be on the WWT Recorder Quick Start page. Here you will find all the information you need to do your first recording. When you scroll down, you will see all the information necessary, including pictures. The following information is only meant for users of Windows Vista. Close the WWT recorder by clicking on the small red crossed box. Click once with your left mouse button on the icon of the WWT recorder and then click once again with the left mouse button. Select Properties and click this. Click on the tab Compatibility. Verify the authority whether the choice Run this program as administrator is checked. And after that, click on OK. Now start the WWT recorder by double-clicking WWT recorder icon. The software will now run the program and ask for your registration code. Type the registration code you have received from us by email. Afterwards, click Submit Code. Your software is registered and will now start. The page named WWT Recorder Quick Start will automatically appear on your screen. On this page you can read the instructions for recording your first video. On behalf of World Web Television, we wish you great pleasure in watching streaming television.